Hello, thanks for joining me today. My name is Stan Ross. I'm the CEO of Digital Ally. Digital Ally is a video solutions company. We got our claim to fame as building some of the very first solid-state in-car video systems for law enforcement and also body cameras. We have now been in that market for almost 12 years. We will transition into the commercial side of business, meaning taxi cabs, small buses, ambulances. We do body cameras on cruise lines. We do video solutions for the Kansas City Chiefs, world champions, I might point out. We do it also at MetLife Stadium and other stadiums as far as body cameras and assist in security measures there. We're a partner of NASCAR. We also have partnered up with Bobby Rahal and the Rahal racing team with the Indy cars. We also have a lot of nice ongoing opportunities as our products continue to develop, meaning we start to enter into different fields such as over-the-road trucking, more of situational video solutions in regards to concerts, maybe special events like a major horse race. When we came out with the very first solid-state in-car system, we had 9 consecutive record quarters, ended up doing right at 33 million, actually over 33 million in our only third year of producing product. We went through the downturn that the industry went through back in 09, 10. We were able to transition from that also into the commercial markets during that time where we landed some very large contracts. Matter of fact, we actually got a very nice contract with a company called Z-Trip, which has right at 5,000 taxi cabs throughout the country. And they have been implementing our in-car video systems, had tremendous success in regards to the reduction of incidences that have occurred because of driver mistakes that are being made. It's much better monitoring of driver behavioral. It's on the fly. They know what's going on. It has the GPS tracking. It has the capability of if for some reason someone steals a cab, they can shut it down. Just a tremendous amount of assets for a fleet owner to work with. So excited about that. We continue to build strong on our new products that we came out with for law enforcement. Matter of fact, received one of our largest contracts in the history of the company on body cameras that should exceed over $4 million for us here over the next couple of years. So real excited about that. You know, there's approximately 18,000 law enforcement agencies out there. And of those 18,000, I would say probably 9,000 have bought from us at some point in time. So we have a real good presence in law enforcement. The nice thing about that is when you're actually going to, let's say, a city and you're talking to a local company about your commercial products, the fact that you want a entity to sit there and maybe validate you as a company, when you say go talk to your local police department, they utilize our equipment. That's great validation of who you are. So we're excited that we did enter our video solutions through law enforcement to begin with, because it's a great tool for us in regards to talking to other municipalities and just commercial companies. And again, without saying too much, we hope that you will watch this because there's a lot more that Digital Ally is going to be doing in entering different markets that has not had its foot in the door as of yet, but surely will real soon. So Digital Ally, we've been publicly held on NASDAQ for some time. Our ticker symbol is DGLY. We have a lot of tremendous things going on, and I think it's a company you'd be excited about. If you'd like to find out more about us, please send an email to info@redchip.com. Thank you.